After decades of transforming hair and confidence around the world, Shaun and Joseph are bringing their artistry to women ready for their next chapter.
So this is my very lifelong best friend.
She was a maid of honor in
She was a
wedding.
maid of honor in our wedding. I was a maid of honor in her wedding. And wow, I didn't expect this. This one's...
This is Radiant Restyle.
I'm so excited because this is my very best friend. So Candy had anonymously surprised me and asked Joe to hire us for her anniversary. Her and her husband have been married how many years now?
33.
33 years. And I was your maid of honor, and she was my maid of honor in my wedding. So she asked us to ask Joe to surprise me, have us take her shopping, help her find the perfect outfit for their dinner date this evening. And for quite some time, we've been talking about her hair, and she's ready to let me put her hair in my hands. She's ready to let me make her into a whole new Candy Joe. So that's what we're going to do today. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I've got a few surprises up my sleeve.
Well. Look who it is. If it is a Candy Joe.
Yes.
Shaun's best friend.
Yes.
That requested Shaun.
Yes.
So
of course you requested
basically,
me.
this is a conspiracy by you two to kick me off my own show.
Maybe just a maybe just a little. Maybe just a
And
little.
you are the mastermind behind this whole thing. I can see it in your face.
Maybe just a little.
I'm not, if something goes wrong, don't ask me to correct it. Have fun. Have fun.
So today's the day. You're going to dinner tonight, so I'm prepared to get you ready. Are you prepared?
I'm ready.
For anything?
I know that could be dangerous with you.
We have known each other how many years? Should we say? Let's not say. Let's let people guess. We've known a long time. Most of our lives.
Yes.
Most of our lives. So we are going to create a whole new Candy Joe today, and I'm really excited. So you ready to get started?
I'm ready.
Let's go. As we promised in our Martini Makeover, and you guys found out that my best friend Candy has hired us to style her for a very nice evening out for her and her husband's anniversary. So what we're going to do today is discuss options and things that will actually help her to look her very best. So knowing Candy as long as I've known her my whole life, so you know Candy is a pear shape. She's definitely shorter. I'm 5'4", 5. She's 5 foot. So we're going to help her in finding ways that's going to help accentuate her body style and give her some fashion and some trends that's going to help her to look amazing when she meets her husband out for their dinner date. So we're going to give her more of a, because of her shape, pear shape, it's, she's a little bit smaller shoulders here. We have a little bit more of a width in her hip area. So we're gonna look for things that's gonna give her a little bit more shoulder. We're gonna cinch in at the waist. And really for her body shape, some of the best things, and I know that most people that are shorter think they can't really wear long bell bottom or long pants, but a more flared leg looks much better on a pear shape. It gives it more of that cinching into the waist, giving it more curve, and then giving her more of a shoulder and a shoulder blade. So if you're ready, let's get shopping. Let's go. Okay, Candy, so we've got quite a few selections that we're excited for you to try on. So the first one that I think would be nice, and things again that will fit your body shape. A V-neck draws the line down, gives you elongation, so it's gonna help you to feel a little bit taller. I would definitely add some pads into that a little bit on the shoulders to give you a little width to your shoulders. We might even cinch this when we go to the accessory wall, if this is something you like, with a little belt here in the top, because it's not the under breast area, and that's gonna give you a nice curved in shape. And then we did put it with, because it does have a flare at the bottom of the dress with a nice jean. So it is more of a straight leg, which would be okay as long as we've got the flare and the cinching at the waist. So this is a nice stretch jean. It's got a little bit of a really nice tightness through here that's going to help give you some support through your belly section. That's something you said that you never show at all. So, and you said that you never wore button. So this is going to give you a cinching at your waist. It's going to give you a tightness and make it feel tighter, give you almost like wearing a pair of Spanx in your jeans. Okay. So I know some of this is taking you out of your comfort zone because I've known you for so long, but we're going to try a few things different that you don't normally do and see how it fits well together. You could put a little red belt with this. You could, really any color belt would go with this, but I would see some red pumps, a red belt, some red accessories would look really good with this. Or we could add something else fun, another fun color, yellow or something. Okay. So Candy, what do you think?
It's okay.
I know I'm taking you out of your comfort zone.
Yes.
So this was a dress, and what we did is it was a little too long for your legs, so I pulled that up. So, even though we talked about the flare leg, as long as you've got this width here and cinching in with a heel, that's going to give you some, some height. And then, a belt would have been okay, but I think a scarf, I love these colors on your skin, everything, but like by tying that and bringing that down, actually gives you a little bit more elongation as well. I would still go in and probably add some pads to the shoulder here to give you some width in your shoulders a little bit and some height, and give you a little bit more, shape. Is going to help create that curve itself. So this is outfit 1. It's a try. Let's see what we got next.
Okay.
So what do you think about this outfit?
I like it. I think the top is a little tight, but I do like it. I love the pants.
And when you look forward into the mirror, what I want you to see, I know you feel like the top's a little tight. We discussed maybe wearing some Spanx up here to help hold it and make you feel more comfortable. I don't think that you need it, but when you look, you've got such a nice shape. Look at the flare leg, what the flare leg does in the bottom, opposed to the skinny leg that we tried on before. Like, see how it gives you your leg shape. And then the heel, it's not a big heel, but it's kind of like a little kitten pointy heel. It's perfect for these jeans. It's casual, it's dressy. It really does give you a nice flare. So should we try a black jacket on with this over top of this and see what it looks like?
That looks better.
Does that make you feel better?
Yes.
But you see how classy that looks, how shapely it looks. You don't see so much now your short height that elongates you. It gives you more length. It gives you that curve, that nice curvy shape. And then, again, the nice pointy, I love a pointy heel sticking out of a jean. I think it just gives it class. It gives you a little bit more leg shape as well. So it helps to give you more of that flare leg, gives you that shape as well. So, okay, what do you think about this outfit?
I like it. I do like it.
Okay.
The top needs to be bigger, but I do like it.
And this is what we've discussed. So what I like about it, I know you don't like tops tight whatsoever, but it gives you shape. It gives you that hourglass shape, and the elongation of the lines gives you height and draws everything up. Again, I love the kitten heel with the little pointy toe. The jacket kind of just goes in to help you a little bit more. I mean, it can make you feel more comfortable with it. But I feel like, I don't feel like the shirt looks too small on you. It's just you're used to everything's so big.
Yes.
And therefore it makes you look larger. So that being said, I think this is an ideal. It's a thought process for you to think through the lines, knowing that you don't have to wear, your comfort zone is the shirt to be really big. So you see nothing. If you wore a pair of Spanx with that to tighten everything in, we all have something hanging. So don't worry about that. But it makes you feel better. That makes something make you feel comfortable with this shirt. Okay, what do you think about this look?
I like it. The jacket just seems a little
You got some things that aren't working.
right.
I like the concept of this. I like the flare pants. I like the peekaboo shoe. I love the color pop here with the scarf. I love the light blue. I know this is not the right shirt.
Right.
Sparkles. Love. Jean jacket's too big, but I think if we get some pieces here, we can go to the next store and pick up the extra accessories that we need with this. But I love the sparkles. I think that's just fancy.
You too.
And it can really give you a lot of
And we have nothing sparkly, so.
well, now you will have. So we're gonna go with this, and then let's modify and get some other pieces together. But you see how just the belt, upside down, like right underneath the breast there, it really does give you a shape. Again, we could go on the outside of the jacket as well with this, giving you a little bit more of a more curvature to the shape as well too. Okay, some accessories. I think we might be close to an outfit. What do you think?
Like it.
Okay. Okay, Candy. So we wore you out. We had to try on all these things. So I think we have 4 looks here. Some of them need a little additions to them, but I think you have 4 looks. Number 1 would be the dress. I think that it needs a jean jacket with it that fits appropriately, and the right shoe and the right accessory. The next would be, and again, I think it looked very good on you. I think there's some other outfits I thought were more flattering. So next we have this flare jean, one of my favorite jeans on you that I thought looked really, really good, very fitted. Still had the flare, my favorite, and I loved. I know we were skeptical, but I loved this shirt. I know you didn't think it fit you perfectly. Okay, so with the little banks up here, I think you were very comfortable, and it looked very shapely with the little black jacket over top of it. And then third, so one of my favorites too, was the little sweater with the flare pants.
and the black jacket, I did both of them. And for first with it too, I just added an accent to it. And last but not least, as I feel like with the flare pants, this, once we find a white shirt for you, a bright jean jacket, you know, that little pop of color, I think that was amazing. All of them looked really, really good on you. I feel like from this point, we're gonna have a discussion about what you feel the most comfortable and what you feel. I'm gonna push you out of your box though, a little bit out of your box to make yourself feel comfortable. This is, you wanna surprise Kevin. So we're here to kind of wow him. Okay. And we have some other surprises in store that we haven't relayed yet, but we are going to make a good pick. So stay tuned for the final reveal outfit that she's gonna pick. We'll let you know later.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this episode. I hope you're enjoying it. Hope it's going well, but
just always remember that we ask you to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We appreciate it. We're at, can we say how many views?
Not yet.
Okay, it's getting exciting. It's getting exciting. You guys are really supporting us, and we appreciate that so much. So we ask you just to continue to subscribe, like, and share for us.
And also, don't forget, we're also on all your social media channels under Radiant Restyle Collective. So go and find us, like us, and share away.
Welcome back. We're going to start our cut-in for our fantastic haircut before we apply our color. So we're just going to get started here. And hopefully Candy doesn't freak out on us. No, she's not going to. She's going to love it. She's going to love it. So we're going to start our cut in and get started here. Okay, Kevin, I know you can't look yet, but we are so excited for the reveal of what you're going to see here. So again, here is the reveal for my very, very best friend, Candy Jo. And I'm gonna move out of the way. And once she comes out and touches you, Kevin, you can turn around and look at her.
I'm a little nervous. Oh my gosh! I love the hair. Wow, you look so different. You make me cry.
Oh, they're making you cry.
Wow.
For me?
Yes, they were.
Aw. Kevin, what do you think?
I love it. I mean, I think it just, it looks like a different person.
Is it what you expected at all? Did you even have an imagination?
No, it's not.
She like
I never thought she would let you do her hair like that.
She let me do whatever I wanted. For you, Kevin, she wanted to surprise you.
I love the color. I love the cut. It's just sexy.
What about her makeup?
Makeup, yeah. Everything looks good. I like the outfit. That outfit.
So basically what we did, and this was what parts that Candy had asked me to come in for your guys' special anniversary night tonight, and she wanted to make sure that I helped her pick out something that would make her feel really special and kind of show the love that she has for you, from her heart to you, and so we can make her look really good for you. Not that she doesn't always. So what we did, again, as we discussed before, as we went through the shopping, Candy's a little bit more of a pear shape. So what we want to do is create a little bit more of an hourglass shape. So we found this great jacket that had the puffy sleeves that kind of gave her a little bit more of width to her shoulders. We went in with the slimminess of the white shirt and the nice, applique on the shirt here. The jeans were fantastic. They were a slimming jean, and so it really helped to give her, to me, a longer looking leg, a sexier looking leg. We added a little bit of a heel, not too much, because we tried a little bit higher, but she didn't feel real comfortable, so I don't want to take them too far out of the comfort zone. Want to do a little spin for us? The height of the jacket, the length of the shirt, everything together just kind of blends together. We listened to Candy, what she liked and what she didn't like, and we put this outfit together. I think it looks sexy. I think, her makeup, her hair, we were talking, again, we've been friends We don't even say how long, longer than probably most people watching them live. But, you know, I felt we took 20 years off of Candy. You know, and she said, no, I don't know if I can do all this, but once she got done, what did you say? I love it. And I want to keep it. Yep, I want to keep looking like this.
I want to keep it.
So we're going to help her. We taught her makeup as we were going along, you know, how to style her hair, all of those things. And of course, having me, a hairdresser, as her best friend,
Yes.
I can help her all the time. So,
Yes.
So what do you think of the whole overall experience, from the shopping to,
Amazing. Amazing. I don't regret one single second of it.
is it what you wanted out of the whole effect?
Oh, absolutely. I love it.
Perfect, perfect. And Kevin, you're satisfied?
Oh, absolutely.
Satisfied? Good.
Absolutely satisfied.
Good, good. I'm so glad. Thank you for giving me the honor to do this for you
Thank
guys.
you.
I'm glad you chose me to do this, not Joe. No. So I'm so glad. Now it's time for me to send you guys off to your dinner and enjoy yourself and the rest of your anniversary. Sorry we kept her here all day away from you, but
That
it was worth it. Thank you. It was worth it. Yes, it was. Yes, it was.
very.
Let me give you both a hug. I love you guys.
I feel like I'm way underdressed.
I love you guys. I love you guys. Thank you for this time.
All right, we are here to talk about the episode we just filmed with Candy. And
My very, very best friend.
what I did was surprise you, which is pretty much impossible to do.
Yes, yes.
Impossible is to surprise me, but her, yeah, it's really tough. She snips through your phone.
I do not. I do not. That's you. That's you.
Oh,
so
okay,
it
well,
was.
Yeah, there's me.
It was a very good surprise. It was an amazing surprise.
She looked outstanding. The only problem was you two kind of managed to kick me out of my own show.
We had fun. We had fun doing that.
Yeah.
No, it was a blast. And she called me this morning. They had an amazing dinner last night afterwards.
Yeah.
And Kevin loves her hair. She loves her hair, even to the fact that she asked me about all the makeup, to give her a list of the makeup so she could buy some makeup. That's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
If you know my friend Candy, she doesn't like to wear makeup, so
It's the magic of the makeover.
It's the magic of the makeover. No, it was so much fun, and thank you. I thank you because it was. I said it was. We talked a lot. We took a long time, so Joe got kicked out. That's okay. We
That's
still had
right. But like we always say, be the best you.
fun. Be the best you can be, and love you guys.